So this lab is for combined loading. So we have a combined loading setup with a rectangular piece and a cylindrical bar, and a rosette strain gauge with a 0, 45, 90 degree representation on it. So we're looking for 3 separate values from that one strain gauge, and we will do that by putting on 2-pound weights until we get to 10 pounds. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have the gauge factor right. So our gauge factor will be 2.02, and our readings are in microstrain. So we have 1, 2, and 3 from our readings all be 2.02. And then our bridge type will be quarter. So we have quarter bridge type for this one as well. So our first thing is we want to balance our strain indicator. We want to balance our strain indicators before we start putting any load on. So we can hit balance and balance again. And then we will want to save that data. And so we have all zeros for our starting point. So now we can put on our 2-pound weight to get our 0, 45, 90 degree measurement. So with a 2-pound weight, we can get our 3 measurements, where our 120-pound microstrain will be our 45 degree measurement, and then our negative will be our 0 degree, and the 87 will be our 90 degree measurement. So then we can put 2 pounds more on it, and we do these parts to make sure that we are lining up our representation for it. So then it should linearly increase until we get to our 10-pound weight, which is the ones that we'll do our calculation from. So then with 4 pounds, we get those values. And then we want to add 2 more pounds for our 6-pound weight. And this will fluctuate a little so we can like stabilize it. And then we'll get our 6-pound weight values. And all of these values are in microstrain. And then we add 2 more pounds, so each of these is a 1-pound weight. So we can add both. So this will be our 8-pound weight values. And then our 10-pound weight will be adding this last 2-pound value, and these are the ones that we do our calculations at. So then we get our max value will be 609 microstrain, and then we want to take all of the load off, and we'll get a 0-pound reading again as our net average. So then we see they turn back to 0.